Hello folks, welcome to the new model railroad room. So I think I'm going to start a new series. We're going to call this one the Show Me Lines, Southern Pacific Railroad. As you can see, just started building. This is going to be the helix first, lower level. Runs through the closet. All of it's a mess right now, but just starting on it. Going to come out through here. 2 levels all the way around the room. I haven't decided how I want to do this area yet. This lower level, upper level, but I may come through here instead. Well, yeah, if you're interested, follow along, and I'm going to post videos as I go. Don't know if it's going to be weekly or just whenever I get to it, because I'm in no rush. If you have questions about the helix build or anything, leave me a comment.